Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we will start our lesson for the different phases of the letter, and we will discuss today in 2 or 3 4 letters in this lecture, different shapes and different phase. First letter is Jim. Jim. This is full shape of the Jim. Jim. 3 shapes of the Jim in the different way and different place. When is coming Jim beginning of the letter, so this is a shape of the Jim. When is coming Jim middle of the letter, so this is a shape of the Jim. When is coming Jim end of the letter, so this is a shape of the Jim end of the letter. What is the examples of the Jim when is coming Jim in beginning of the letter? So this is a shape of the Jim. Examples: Ja'ala, Ja'ala, Ja'ala. Here is Jim coming beginning of the letter. Second one is Jim is shape in middle of the letter. So 2 kinds of the Jim using of the middle of the letter. First one is examples: Rajulun, Rajulun. Second shape and second examples of the Holy Quran: Yajhadu, Yajhadu. These 2 shapes Jim using in the middle of the letter. And third one is end of the letter. For example, Hajja, Hajja, Hajja. This is a shape of the Jim end of the letter. So these 3 shapes of the Jim beginning of the letter with example, and middle of the letter with the examples, and end of the letter and with the examples. And next letter is Ha. Ha. This is a throat letter. So this Jim and Ha both are looks like same shape but different in the dots. Ha is never dot, always time. So this is a Ha. Ha. Said Ha. Also Ha has 3 shapes. This is a shape of the Ha beginning of the letter, and this shape of the Ha middle of the letter, and this shape of the Ha end of the letter. When is coming Ha beginning of the letter, so this is a shape. For example, Hillun, Hillun, Hillun. Here is Ha coming of beginning of the letter. Second one is middle of the letter. So what is the examples of the Ha when is coming Ha in middle of the letter? It's 2 kinds, 2 shape in middle of the letter Ha is using here in the Holy Quran and Holy Qaida. First one is bi rahmatin, birahmatin. Sometimes ha is coming of this shape in the middle of the letter. And second shape, yajhadu, yajhadu, yajhadu. This is the second shape of the ha. Sometimes ha is using of this shape in middle of the letter. Next one is end of the letter. When is coming ha end of the letter, so what is the shape? This looks like using of original shape. Ah. So these three shapes of the ha: beginning of the letter, middle of the letter, and end of the letter. So next letter is kha. This is a bold sound of the kha. When we are reading of the kha, we will open our mouth. So this is three shape of the kha. This is a shape of the kha. First one is the beginning of the letter, and this shape of the kha, middle of the letter, and this shape of the kha, end of the letter. When is coming kha, beginning of the letter, so this is kha coming of this shape. For example, of the Holy Quran, khawfun. And when is coming kha in middle of the letter, so kha is this shape. Yab khalu. This is a kha of second shape when is coming kha in middle of the letter. And third shape of the kha, when is coming kha, is using in end of the letter. So same shape looks like original shape. Akh. These three shape of the kha is beginning of the letter, and middle of the letter, and end of the letter with the examples. Inshallah, we will discuss in the next lecture or different letter and different faces. Assalamu alaikum.